Hello everyone, welcome to Engineering Explained channel. Here I am going to discuss details of Israel's Iron Dome system. The Iron Dome system is the one of the Israel's air defense system. It plays an very important role while destroying the incoming threats in the form of artillery and missiles into the populated area. Kindly subscribe the Engineering Explained channel. If you have subscribed, kindly share and comment. Here I am going to discuss technical details of Israel's Iron Dome system and how it is used in the depending the airspace of the Israel, and later the other details regarding the particularly during the Hamas attack, Hezbollah attack, and also the Iran attack, how it will be successfully used, that I am going to discuss. Here this system shows them Israel's Iron Dome system. It consists mainly the three components. One is a radar units. That radar unit detects that projectile and tracks its trajectory. Whatever the enemy artillery or any missile entering into the Israeli airspace, that projectile will be detected, and the tracking of that trajectory will be taking place by using the radar unit, and that radar unit sends that whatever the information received to the this battle management and control unit BMC. The battle management and control unit will analyze the trajectory and estimates the impact location where the impacting is required. That location it will be estimates. Then that all the information it will send to the missile firing unit, and in the missile firing unit or launcher what is there, it will launch this as per the information received by this battle management and control unit, and according to that the path will be followed. The it's the control is taking place. After the control, the launching of this missile will hit the whatever the threats is there at particular location before reaching the its target. Okay, that is the Iron Dome shield it can provide. The shield will be provided in the particular space, and that will be in the populated area. Any that artillery or missiles entering, okay, that will be successfully intercepted by using this Iron Dome unit. There are launchers. The two Tamir missiles will be launched here to intercept and destroy enemy projectile, and that will be successfully intercepted. And here, Israel has installed 5 Iron Dome batteries, the most recent in Tel Aviv. Each battery cost about the pound 31 million to install it, and that is a huge cost. But the it can required for the air defense system, and this is about how it will be works and details I am going to take further. Here we'll see that one how at a time the intercepting of the different artillery and missile will be taking place in the populated area of the Israel, and at a time it can launch the number of missiles continuously, and one launcher can launch up to 20 missiles at a time, and also the number of the launchers as well as the batteries will be installed in the different locations in the Israel. The other details I am going to discuss here. A centerpiece of Israel's air defense is the Iron Dome, developed by the Israeli firm Rafael Advanced Defense System and Israeli Aerospace Industries, and put into service in 2011. It is designed to stop the short range rockets and artillery fired by Hamas, Islamic Jihad, and other groups. Need for Iron Dome. The development of the Iron Dome was motivated by frequent rocket attacks that Israel faced, particularly from Gaza. It has since been integrated into Israel's broader air defense strategy, which includes other systems like the David Sling and Aero missile defense systems. Working of Iron Dome, the system operates by using advanced radar to detect incoming rockets and then launches interceptor missiles to destroy them in midair. This helps to prevent the rockets from reaching their intended targets on the ground. This missile defense system consists of three main components that together work to provide protection over the area where it is deployed. These components are detection and tracking radar. This radar system is responsible for detecting and tracking incoming threats such as rockets and artillery shells. It plays a critical role in identifying trajectory, speed, and location. Okay, these things it will be identifies of the incoming projectiles. Battle management and control BMC system. The BMC system is command and control center that processes the information from the radar and makes real-time decisions regarding whether an intercept is necessary. It calculates a projected impact on the incoming threat and determines whether it poses a danger to populated areas. Missile firing unit. When the BMC system decides that an intercept is necessary, the missile firing unit launches an interceptor missile to intercept and destroy the incoming threat. These interceptor missiles are known as Tamir and are equipped with advanced guidance systems to accurately home in on target and neutralize it in midair. Effectiveness of Iron Dome. According to Israeli officials, the missile system boasts an estimated effectiveness rate ranging from 75% to 95%. It is widely acclaimed for its superior efficiency, particularly when compared to earlier missile defense systems like the US Patriot. Presently, it stands as one of the most rigorously tested missile defense systems globally. It has successfully intercepted hundreds of missiles and artillery rockets launched by Palestinian militants. By 2015, it has recorded approximately 1,500 successful interceptions. Thanks to its reliability, failures of an Iron Dome have resulted in minimum Israeli casualties. Significance. The Iron Dome missile defense system holds significant importance for Israel and broader region of several reasons. Protection of civilian populations. Its primary purpose is to protect Israeli cities and communities from rocket attacks, including those launched by Hamas in Gaza and Hezbollah in Lebanon. Enhanced national security. It enhances Israel's national security by reducing threat of rocket attacks. Strategic deterrence. It serves as a deterrent against potential adversaries and dissuades hostile actors from initiating rocket attacks. International cooperation. The successful deployment and export of the Iron Dome have strengthened Israel's diplomatic ties with other countries, particularly the United States. Innovation and technological advancement. The development and continued improvement of the Iron Dome represent significant achievement in missile defense technology. Limitations. The effectiveness of Iron Dome is under question amid Israel Hamas conflict. The Israel Defense Forces IDF reported that approximately 2,200 rockets were launched towards southern and central Israel, which might have overwhelmed the system, that it couldn't prevent the missiles in populated areas because the some other the limitations what are there I'll discuss further. Some of the limitations are as follows. Cost. The system is expensive to develop, deploy, and maintain. Already, I have mentioned $31 million it cost one battery. Limited range. It is primarily designed to intercept short range rockets and artillery. It is not effective against longer range ballistic missiles. Its range is varying from the 5 to 70 kilometers. Limited interception window. It has a limited window for interception and it may not effective against very short range rockets that are fired from closely proximity. Multiple simultaneous threats. When facing a large barrage of incoming rockets or artillery shells, the Iron Dome may struggle to intercept all of them simultaneously. It may prioritize targets based on their trajectory and threat level, leaving some threats unaddressed. This is about the Israel's Iron Dome system as one of the air defense system which was used effectively in the Israel for the different conflicts. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe, and comment.